Hi guys, today we will see how to create a subdomain from an existing domain in Hostinger. So let's begin the video. To create a subdomain, first you have to open your Chrome browser. Now log in to your Hostinger account. Here you can see the domains which you purchased. Now choose a domain from which you want to create a subdomain. Now click on the Manage button. Here you can see the domain overview page is open. Now scroll down and click on Manage your website. Here you can see the dashboard is open. On the right side, you can see the domain option. Click on it. Here you can see the subdomain option. Now click on subdomain option. Now to create a subdomain, you have to fill your subdomain here. Like I have already created 2 subdomains. Here you can see ecommerce.webappwiz.com and blogpost.webappwiz.com. Now I am creating a new subdomain as news. Now tick the custom folder for subdomain. In directory option, tick the use public/html directory. Now click on create. Your subdomain is successfully created. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel.